Hi everyone. Today on Electric Vehicle Mile, we will throw some light on how often we need to charge our EVs, that is, our electric vehicles. The frequency of charging your electric vehicle depends on the range of the electric vehicle, its battery capacity, and the temperature, speed, load, etc. The frequency of charge depends on the distance covered by your electric vehicle every day on an average. As shared by Mahindra Electric, if anyone is traveling for more than 40 kilometers every day on an average, then the electric vehicle shall be recharged every single day. If the person is traveling between 20 to 40 kilometers every day on an average, then the vehicle shall be charged every 2 days. If the person is traveling between 0 to 20 km every day on an average, then the vehicle shall be charged every 3 days. As discussed, the charging frequency also depends on the type of electric vehicle, battery capacity, maintenance of the electric vehicle components. That was pretty interesting, right? For more such interesting bites, stay tuned with Electric Vehicle Mile. Thank you.